Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'll be talking about 10 cool things that you can do with Mi Smart Band 10. And I'll be sharing some of my favorite features later on in this video, so make sure that you watch it till the end. And with that, let's get started. The first thing is, if you scroll to the left or right of the main watch face, you will see widgets. Now, you can long press on these widgets and you can remove them. You can also add more, and here you get a long list of widgets that you can add, but then you can also move them around. So if you press on them, you can move them left or right. And when you'll tap on any particular widget, it will open up the app, and then you can scroll down to take a look at the entire app. Mi Band 10 comes with AMOLED display, which means that it also supports always on display, and you can see it is very mildly available, but it is also light sensitive. So if you put it under bright light, it will become quite bright. There you go. And you can change some settings about always on display. So go in settings, go in display, scroll down, and you will get to always on display. From here, you can turn it off. You can turn on the smart feature. So it says that turning on always on display may half your battery life. Raise to wake will be turned off. And then if you go further down, you get to the scheduled option. From here, you can set the start time and the end time for always on display. And always on display is based on the watch faces that you set on this band. So it will mimic the watch face that you have as your main watch face on the band. Moving on, the do not disturb mode on this watch has a hidden feature. So if you go in settings and then scroll down and go in do not disturb settings, from here you can turn on do not disturb mode. But then you will see here the sleep mode, which basically is when the device recognizes that you're asleep, do not disturb will turn on automatically. So this is basically the smart do not disturb mode. So if you're wearing this watch and you go to sleep, the watch will detect that you're sleeping and it will automatically turn on the do not disturb mode. If you go in settings and then scroll down, you will see this auto detect workout feature. So if you turn this feature on, you will get a reminder to start the workout, and supported workout types include walking, running, cycling, rope jumping, elliptical, and rowing. And then you can also turn on the reminder to end the workout. So in case if you forget to end the workout after finishing your workout, you can get this reminder and you can actually finish the workout detection. So this is basically for if you start a workout and you forget to start tracking the workout on the band will remind you that you have started the workout. So also start the tracking. So in that way, you can start tracking the workout. Moving on, you can also set up the pin code for this band to protect your privacy and data. And for that, you need to go in settings, scroll down, and you will see this pin option. Go in here, set pin, and now you can set anything here. And there you go, the pin is set. Now I'll wear the band and take it off, and we'll see how quickly it kicks in. You also get the option to turn off the pin and change pin if you want. But now I'm wearing the band. Let's take it off and see if the band locks itself. And there you go, the band is locked. Now you have no access to band data, and if you want to unlock it, you have to enter the pin. Next up, there is a very important battery optimization feature on this band that can help you improve the battery life of this band. So for that, we'll go in settings, scroll up, and you will see this option here, battery. Go in here and then go in optimization. So here basically tells you which features are affecting the battery life. So you can go in always on display, and it tells you that turning this feature off will extend the battery life by 143 hours. Then you can go in breathing rate, and it tells you if you turn this feature off, how long the battery will be extended. Similarly, you can go in advanced sleep monitoring and all day SpO2 monitoring. So you can turn these features off, and it tells you approximately how much longer battery life you will get if you turn them off. If you scroll up and go in more, you will see this option here, breathing. Now here you can start breathing exercises and relax yourself. So there are a few types of breathing already added here. So we have box breathing, B breathing, 4-7-8 breathing, and sleep soundly. So if we go in here, you can tap on it and you can pay attention to the rise and fall of your abdomen and all that, and then it vibrates to guide you when to inhale, when to hold, and when to exhale, and you can follow it along. So that's pretty cool. You have this take a nap breathing pattern, which is 4-7-8. It also relaxes you. So you can tap on this here and focus on your breathing and start the 3-minute breathing exercise. And now it has a different vibration pattern to guide you to inhale, stop, and exhale. You also get a camera controller app on this band. So if you go in apps, scroll down, go in more, you will see this camera option. Go in here. Now for this to work, you actually need to first turn on the camera on your phone. So once the camera is turned on, you can tap this button here to take photos on your phone. If you have the video on, it will start the video recording and stop it. You also get this button at the top which says now. You can tap on it to set the 3-second timer and then tap again to set the 5-second timer as well. Moving on, there is Pomodoro timer built into this band as well. So if you go in apps, go in more, you will see this option here, focus, and it sets a 25-minute timer. You can also change the duration from here if you want to increase or decrease it. And you can scroll up to see your focus time and rest time. And from here you can just start it, and do not disturb mode will turn on the band, and you will not get any notifications or anything like that, and then you can focus on the task that you are working on. And finally, the last thing that I want to talk about is that this band also comes with a compass on board. Pretty great. So if you go in apps, go in more, you will see this compass. Go in here, then you can calibrate it. It is pretty bare bones but works pretty nicely. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.